Hello YouTube, and welcome back to my channel, and welcome to another Balisong tutorial. And for this tutorial I'm gonna teach you guys another Balisong loop for beginner named whip fan loop. So for this tutorial I'm gonna use my CD Balisong right here. So let's get started. And for the move gonna be like this. Check out the slow-mo. Alright, to begin, you're gonna start with the safe handle, and the first thing you do is the whip rollover. So whip rollover gonna be like this. On your Balisong, put your index finger here on the back on the safe handle, let it roll. Once time, turn your Balisong vertical like this, and after that, do a vertical thumb rollover like that. Again, from the beginning, open, put your index finger here, let it roll, turn your Balisong vertical like this, and vertical thumb rollover. Alright, so that's gonna give you the bite handle. So to avoid that, just do a wrist pass like that. Wrist pass gonna be like that, and continue the wrist pass with basic fan. Wrist pass plus basic fan like that. Again, from the beginning, whip rollover, wrist pass, continued with basic fan. Whip rollover, wrist pass, continued with basic fan, like that. Again, in the end of the basic fan, you're gonna end up in this position. So after end up with this position, just do a wrist pass again, and wrist pass again, and after that prepare to do a half twirl to close your Balisong. And to do that, just try to put your index finger here on the bite handle and let it bounce. After this, let it bounce. So you're gonna close your Balisong in this position like that. Again, whip rollover, whip rollover, wrist pass with basic fan, and up like this, half twirl to close your Balisong. And after that, after this position, you're gonna start all over again from the beginning. And after this, do a thumb rollover like that. And after this position, just roll it 2 times. Thumb rollover, roll it 2 times, and you're gonna start all over again from the beginning like this. This is the position you're gonna start from whip rollover, and that's the loop continued all over again. Wrist pass, basic fan, again wrist pass continued with half twirl to close your Balisong, thumb rollover again, Oh, I'm sorry. That. Like that. And from the beginning, the move gonna be like this. That. Alright, that pretty much for today's tutorial, guys, and thank you guys for watching. Peace.